Wel, mae'n hyfryd i fod yma heddi. Mae'n llawn bwrlwm y neuadd PJ. Mae Nadolig wedi dod. Nadolig llawen i chi gyd. Happy Christmas to you all.
Really get to hone your marketing skills and skills you didn't know you had.
Get to test my products and see what would work in the market because I'm planning on opening a kind of side hustle with my products.
Mae'n brysur yma dros yr 5 awr dwytha yma. Da ni wedi gwerthu llwyth o Presso Tea. Well, it tests you more than anything how you talk to people, how to get people in and sell your product.
It's the first time I've had a business, so it's really a kind of like a tester to see if my products are going to sell well or not. So I wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for Be Enterprising and all the workshops they had in advance telling you how you should be presenting your items and how you can catch people's eyes. So that's been a great new skill that I've learned.